decided I'm gonna go to a coffee shop today just because, I don't know, I don't feel like going to school. I'm gonna go to a new one. The only thing about going to new coffee shops is I always hope that their coffee is good. That's always a gamble, but this is the outfit. I'm gonna head out now just because this place closes at 6 and it's already 1 because I spent the whole day cleaning in the morning. Not that I woke up super early. Getting some coffee because I was so tired and I've only made it through 2 lectures. This is not going the greatest right now. Hopefully this will wake me up. Mustered up the courage to do some work again. I honestly don't have a choice because I'm many lectures behind. I was gonna say a few, but it's not even a few right now. So I should really start on that. It is 10:40 p.m. right now. I'll do some work until 1 a.m. The only reason I'm not staying up is because I do have mandatory class tomorrow. We don't always have mandatory class, but we do have a quiz. Thank God it's formative though, because if it was graded, I'd be screwed. I'm gonna set a timer. I'll do 30 minutes at a time with some 5-minute breaks in between. For having this monitor for a couple of months, it seems I still don't know how to use it sometimes.
turns out we actually had 3 quizzes today. I don't know if I missed the memo or what, but that was definitely a humbling experience, especially those first 2 quizzes. They really told me that I should definitely focus on catching up today. I have an insane amount of lectures to continue working on. I'm trying to figure out what to do, if I want to go home and study or if I just want to pick up something and come back to school. I got some coffee. I slept early, but for some reason I still feel extremely tired. I just don't have it in me to start studying just yet, so maybe I will get some food and come back to campus. Thank you. Have a good day. I made some pasta in record time. I think it was 25 minutes, which is pretty good, pretty fast. Hopefully it tastes good, and that's what I'm worried about. I'm just gonna watch something while I eat this. Maybe Abba Elementary if there's a new episode out.